Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a natural hair hairstyle. So I've decided that since my hair is stretched out, I'm going to continue on using my stretched out hair to do a couple of hairstyles before I wash my hair. My hair does not feel like it needs to be washed, but it is probably a week or two away from the last time I washed it. So yeah, we're going to do this quick style just so I can make it through a day of work before I wash my hair again. So yeah. And I honestly don't really have any products in my hair because I had crochet braids previously. So I'm gonna be using the same products that I use to do my crochet braids. I'm gonna be using the Design Essentials line. And for a moisturizer, I'm gonna be using the Almond and Avocado Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. And for the styler, I will be using the Honey Curl Form Custard. I'm sorry, my lighting is really bright. So this is pretty much a gel, but it's not as sticky as a gel, so it's probably going to give me a little bit of hold, and that's why I'm deciding to use this product. Plus I just want to see how it works because I usually have a hard time styling my hair, so we're gonna see. So to do this style, I will be using some rods. I will be using the light pink colored ones and also the orange colored perma rods. I'm not sure if I'll actually use these, but I do have it just to have a variety in the curl pattern. And some of these are broken, so if I don't have enough, I have those as well. So yeah. Hopefully you can see my hair because in my viewfinder I have a hard time seeing a lot of things because it looks so bright. But it might not be as bright as I think it is. So yeah, I kind of sort of sectioned my hair off. It's not all the way sectioned off, but I did detangle and everything just to make sure my hair, I got all the shed hair and everything else out of my hair before doing this hairstyle. And my hair actually feels really clean. It feels like I just washed it even though I haven't. So yeah, this is it. On this section, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this leave-in conditioner because I just want to give it some moisture. Cause it's not feeling dry, but it's not. Y'all know that feeling where you just know you could use a little bit more moisture in your hair. And that's also gonna dampen my hair a little bit, so. And I'm gonna break this off into even smaller sections so I can deal with it. I'm actually not sure how many of these rods I'm gonna put in my head, but I don't want a lot of them. So this is the size of the section that I'm gonna be dealing with today. Like I said, it's kind of hard to see it. And I'm just gonna dip my hand in some of that curling custard. And I'm not gonna use a lot of it, just enough to coat my strands. And this actually feels really good. It's not sticky at all. It feels more water-like than anything. I like this. And I'm just gonna smooth out my hair with a fine tooth comb. And I'm gonna take my rod. I'm going to smooth my ends on it first. And then I'm going to wrap my hair like a corkscrew curl. And there we have it. And now I'm just gonna continue that on to the rest of my head, and I'll probably show you again once I get to the top of my hair, just for the sake of this video not being too long. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get done. So I'm back and I finally made it to the top, and my lighting is like, y'all, I'm trying. But like, I've made it to the top of my head, and I just have this section left. It looks like it's more than what it is, but I've already applied my leave-in conditioner to my hair. And next I'm just gonna brush through it with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. And I'm not sure how I want to part this off, but I don't want to have too many rollers up here on the top of my head, so I think I'm just gonna, I don't know. And I'm gonna put some of this styling custard on there. Now I'm mostly concentrating that on the ends of my hair. And first I'm gonna smooth my ends. Kind of wrap it, and then I'm gonna corkscrew it upwards. And I got a little bit of hair caught up in there. So honestly, I have been struggling. I have been struggling the whole time I've been doing this, because certain parts of my hair, since I have layers, is not the same length as others. So I've been having a hard time wrapping my ends on the perm rod without other pieces of hair slipping out. And y'all, it's been a struggle, but I finally made it to the top of my head. And surprisingly, it hasn't taken as long as I thought it would. So yeah, I've probably been doing this for about 20 minutes. And usually it takes longer, but since I'm doing it on blow dried hair or stretched out hair, it's a little bit easier. Hopefully it comes out how I want it to. So yeah, as usual, I'm gonna smooth down my ends and corkscrew it up. And I'm making it pretty taut right at my root, just so I can get that extra bit of stretch when it dries. Even though my hair is dry right now, I'm just doing it just in case. So, yep. I think that's the best one I've done so far. And my last section, if my camera focuses. And I really do like the way this custard feels. It doesn't feel like, it's not too heavy, but I feel like it will give me enough hold to last me for the time that I'm gonna have this hairstyle. Not long. Smooth down your ends. Wrap, then corkscrew. And then one thing, I always secure my perm rod, I can't explain it, right where my root is. And that helps hold it in place so it's not rolling and popping and moving everywhere. So yeah, now that we're finished, I can't tell if I'm focused or not, But now that I'm finished, I'm gonna go sit under my hooded dryer for probably about 30 minutes to an hour. I don't think it will take that long for this to dry since my hair was pretty much dry before doing this. I just need my products to absorb into my hair and for it to set the style in place. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be back because I will be taking these rollers out of my hair today. So yeah, at least that's my plan. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get done drying my hair, and we're gonna see how this style turned out and if it turned out how I wanted it to, because ain't no telling how this is gonna look. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm back. So I think my hair is dry. It might not be. So I am getting a little bit of residue once I took out the rollers, and touching my hair it's kind of sticky. It's like a residue feeling. So I think I'm gonna sit under the dryer a little bit longer before I start separating these curls. I don't want it to become frizzy, so I'm just gonna sit under the dryer just to make sure that everything is dry. So next I'm just gonna go through and break up all my curls. I can't find my wide tooth comb, so I might not be fluffing it. I gotta go buy one. But yeah, next I'm just gonna separate these curls. I'm not sure if I want to start in the front or back. So So this is how one side is looking separated, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side and I'll come back. So yeah. So guys, I will say that I really like how my hair came out. It's really cute. It's bouncy. It's not heavy, but I will say that I still have that sticky residue on my hands, and it might go away overnight, but I did sit under the dryer a little bit longer just to make sure that my hair was completely dry. But I think it's just that custard that's leaving that residue. Like I said, I won't be picking my hair out in this video because I can't find my wide tooth comb to pick it out with, so I'll wait till it gets a little bit older. But I will try to take some pictures and add them to this video. If not, this is how it turned out. I really enjoy it, and I'm still trying to separate more curls. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I'll see you again in my next. See ya. Also, all the products will be listed in the description box below, so be sure to check that out if you want to know the names of the products and what I use and everything. Also, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to try to answer all your questions. Anyways, I'll see you again in my next video. See ya.